It's a quick one really. It's about transporting your dog or your animal in your car, and it's quite important. Highway code rule 57 means that if you're going to transport a dog, I'll use that as an example, it's got to be restrained in the car safely, so that it's not going to be walking around distracting you, distracting anyone else in the car, causing a potential hazard, and also getting them injured. So you can just see my dog in the back there. She's kind of sat on the back seat. We're going to go for a walk in a few minutes. I'll show you some video at the end of her walking around if you want to see that. And I'll just show a quick clip here. She's got a red harness on, and the red harness clips into the seat belt, the dog seat belt, which clips into the back seat, and that's secure. That's what we use. But you can use a pet carrier that can be secured with seat belts on the back, or you could put them in the boot, so it's secured in the boot there. So whatever works for you, it's got to be safe. But you can't have them in the front seat. It's dangerous, you know. I remember rule 57. You want to look it up. I'll put a quick clip at the top here so you can see it. Rule 57 stating that the dog or animal's got to be secured for safety reasons, because if you brake hard or involved in an accident, if that dog's not secured, it's going to get seriously injured, or it's going to fly past you, it's going to hit you or everyone in the car. So the last thing you want to do is get your animal injured and you injured. Do you agree, Chrissy? I think she agrees there. Safe driving, everybody, and watch a little clip of her walking round.